we're going to do a little bit of an experiment again with 3D printing. We're going to make something like this for a key with a twist. I hope with a real twist. My wife runs an Airbnb and she has a couple of keys and she wants a tag and simple keys, but we didn't have any key rings. So I've made nice tags, but we don't have any key rings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make this an openable ring. So it's going to rotate, let the key in and rotate it closed and maybe even click closed. So that's the plan. And for that I'll need to do some experiments first because I have no idea. I want to do print in place, so I need to make the gaps between the layers big enough so it will actually rotate and not stick together. First time for me. Let's go and have a look, see how it works. Cylinder, just to see, to print it out and see how it works. I know that the thing is 7 millimeters tall, and it is I think 10. No, what is it? This hole is 7. Yeah, 7. Okay. It looks solid. So what I should do, maybe, probably, in reality, is I should download Maker's Muse tolerance gadget to see what the size I need and so forth. Or I can just print this ring a couple of times. I think I'll download Maker's Muse thing because I like that device where you can see if it twists and it will tell you exactly which gap you need between the things to have a live edge. So let me go and do that and I'll be back. Okay, I printed one set out and it fits nicely together. I used 0.15 difference between this diameter and the hole diameter, and it slides nicely. So the only thing we need to do now is figure out how to keep this thing latched into that thing, and the simplest way I can think of is just use a chamfer on this edge. Say chamfer 1 is fine, and then add a chamfer to this one as well. And for that, of course, I have to add some material. Diameter should be +2 +1 1. And now we chamfer this edge. Come on. And there you have it. Oh, and the hole needs to go through, of course, but that hole already exists. It's just a hierarchy of the parts. Yeah, did it again. Stupid jerk. And now just a little notch here so that it locks into place. And it's probably a good idea to make this small. So, what do you think? Shall this work? Only one way to find out. Let's go and print it and see what happens. Okay, printed them out. You can see a little wedge there. It's small and probably too small, but okay. And the rings have a little chamfer at the bottom. Also that chamfer might be a bit too small, but I wanted to make sure that it would slip in without the PLA breaking. So, and now the moment of truth. Well, it goes in, but does it lock? Yeah, it clicks. Okay. It's all very finicky. That's the problem when I'm working on the nimble. That's all about hundreds and a tenth of a millimeter, and here, yeah, see, this is a bit too weak. I printed them out. It looks okay. It's going to be a challenge to get this in without damaging the chamfer a bit too much, but we'll just have to force it in and see what happens. That's the thing that where's my glasses? That's the thing with PLA. I was afraid it's too brittle, but this extruder PLA is a little bit more forgiving. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there we go. And this click is better. It holds nicer, it's tighter. Yeah, I think that's job done.